Greetings, Fire Chargers. Darkblade here. In this video, I will be doing another Sudoku. This is the Expert Killer Sudoku. So, it groups numbers together. It groups these cells together in blobs and gives the sum value of the entire blob. Example. This means the math element is thrown in. 27 plus 17 is 44, so this is 1. What else? 18. Did I already have this one? I'm suspecting that I already had this one today. So, what should I do? Next is 39. 22 plus 17 is 39. 45 minus 39 is 6, which can be broken up into 1 and 5, but that's illegal. So 2 and 4 are my options. And 7. So let me see. This is 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So these two total up to 7, and these two total up to 10. 18 plus 35, 10. So what can it... I'll do the 7 one first, since that'll be easier. So 7, 5, 4, 2, and 22 minus 5 is 17, which is broken into 8 and 9. And this is 10, which can be 3 and 7. And this... Now, let me see what else I can do. 9 can be 1 and 8. 2 and 7, which doesn't work, 3 and 6. And the ones that remain are 2, 6, and 9. How can I form 11? There's 2 and 9, 3 and 8, 4 and 7, 5 and 6. The ones that remain in this column are 4, 5, 1, 2, 5, and 6. So this is 9. 2 minus 9 is 7. So that leaves 1 and 3. And how do you form 9? There are a couple different ways to form 9. 2 and 7 and 3 and 6 aren't allowed. So it has to be either 1 and 8 or 4 and 5. Actually, 1 and 8 isn't allowed either. So there's 1 and disallow the 4. So 6, 4. So let me try to cross them. Now 1, 2, 3, 18, 8, and what's next is, let me see what I can do from here. I'm starting to get more suspicious that I've already had this one. How can I form 18? Well, the low would be 1 in 17, but that isn't legal, so I can't put a 1 in these three, so so it has to go in these two, and which means that there's a 1 here. And 2 and 3 can't go into either of these because there's no way that you can add two one-digit numbers, either of them being 2 or 3. There's no way you can get 13 or 14. So 2 and 3 can't be here. And 9 can only be here. So only these two blobs can have 8 and 9, and only these two blobs can have 2 and 3. This 14 blob can't have 4. Or because there's no one-digit number that can be added to 4 in order to get 14. What else do I want? Ow, my hair. Let me try to add some more stuff. So 14, 24, 34, 52, and 73. So these two should add up to 17, which would indicate 8 and 9. But let's just make sure that these overshoot by 17. So 18 plus 17, 35, 40, 49, 79, 94, and 107. Yeah, they overshoot. 1, 1, 9, 6. This has to be 2 and 3. And 4 goes here. 5. Well, let me see. Oh, there's a 4 somewhere in these 3 cells of this row. Yes. And somewhere in these 2 cells of this column. And the other, this is a 5. And let me 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. 3. And this is 8. So the 7, 8 way of forming in 15 can't be used here, so it has to be 6 and 9. 23, 79. So in that instance, is there any metric to how much my score increases when I put something down? Also, they've added a score system that Interesting. Now, what else can I say? This is 12 minus 1 is 11, so how can I form 11? 2, 9, not an option because there's a 9 elsewhere in this 3 by 3. 3, 8, can that be a possibility? 4, 2, okay. So, because of 3, 8, we know that there isn't a 3 here, or an 8 here. 2, 6. So I have to be cautious there, not accidentally doing what I just did. This is 4, which 13 minus 4 is 9, which can be made 1, 8, no, 2, 7, no, 3, 6, no, 4. What happened? 13 minus 4 is 9. Oh, wait, I did that mistake. I made that mistake again. And I counted these when I really shouldn't. So 1 and 8, no. 2 and 7, nothing that disqualifies it so far. 3 and 6, definitely no. And 4 and 5, no. So this has to be 2 and 7. So 1, 8, 2, 7, 3. So there can't be a 3 in here. 8. Now, six can be formed as 1 and 5, which means that there can't be any other 5s or 1s in this row. 3, 4, 9, 5, 8, 9, 7, 3. I have 1 life left, so I'm really hanging here. I intended to tap that one, but for some reason it didn't end up actually doing that. I think that's the only time I've ever pushed the second chance button on this channel. Six. No, that. That's what so 10, which is 18 minus 8. Now, should I do this? 13. I'll just see what's left. 2, 4, 2, and this. 2, 9, 5, 2, 1, 2, 8, 9, 8, 2, 4, and 7. Finally.